Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make yummy drinks with milk. We'll explore a variety of delightful beverages, from cool and creamy treats to warm and comforting sips. You'll learn simple techniques to transform everyday milk into something truly special, using just a few common ingredients. Get ready to discover quick and easy ways to create delicious drinks that everyone will love, perfect for any time of day. Let's make a classic creamy milkshake. Start by adding 1 cup of cold milk to your blender. Next, scoop in about 2 generous scoops of your favorite ice cream, like vanilla or chocolate. For an extra burst of flavor, drizzle in 1 tablespoon of syrup, perhaps strawberry or caramel. Blend everything together on high speed for about 30 seconds until it's wonderfully smooth and frothy. Enjoy this delightful treat immediately. For a comforting and warm drink, try this soothing spiced milk. Gently heat 1 cup of milk in a small saucepan over medium-low heat, being careful not to boil it. Stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a tiny pinch of nutmeg for a lovely aroma. Sweeten your drink to taste with 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. This warm beverage is perfect for a cozy evening. Craving something cool and energizing? Let's make refreshing iced coffee with milk. First, brew about 1/2 cup of strong coffee and allow it to cool completely. Fill a tall glass with ice cubes, then pour in your cooled coffee. Next, add approximately 3/4 cup of cold milk, stirring gently. For a touch of sweetness, mix in about 2 teaspoons of simple syrup. This is a perfect pick-me-up.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.